Producing and processing commodity is a service industry which always goes abreast and develops according to the increasing demands of the manufacturers. Established in 2008, DaiThanh Seafoods has great progress not only on investing factories, equipment, new technologies for processing and exporting pangasius products, but also focusing on increasing productivity, quality, to affirm its leading position in the field of importing and exporting aquatic products in Vietnam. Starting as a young enterprise with a factory for processing frozen fish with an initial capacity of 60 tons of materials per day, which was not competitive in the market. So far, DaiThanh Seafoods has gradually stepped up the strengths and grabs the opportunity to grow up with a closed production chain, feed mill, fingerling farm, fish farm, processing factory. Raw material is a very important part which decides the quality of products, in which fingerling is the top concern. Therefore, DaiThanh Seafoods associated with the breeders who have global gap farms to provide high and stable quality fingerlings to their farms. The raw materials of DaiThanh Seafoods is raised according to global gap and ASC standard, so our products can meet the requirements of strictest clients. Raw material is always checked for the forbidden antibiotic residue before being harvested. Only the material that meets the standards of Vietnam as well as importing countries is taken into production. Means of transportation and fast transit time of the raw materials from the farm to the plants contribute to enhance the value of the products. DaiThanh Seafoods always ensures that the raw material for processing is always fresh and alive. With a system of clothes and modern equipment for production, together with well-qualified workers and experienced quality control staffs who are educated in university major in aquaculture, the company produces products with high quality and ensure food safety and hygiene conditions and meet the desire from customers. The products of DaiThanh Seafoods are researched by leading experts. The strict processing procedures ensures the products meet the quality standard and keep the natural freshness and rich in nutritional value. With the modern IQF freezing lines, deep freezer, DaiThanh Seafoods always brings customers the products with perfect quality inside and nice appearance. 100% of our products are checked on weight, color as per customers' request before packing and keeping in cold storage. Every process, Every detail from the smallest is controlled strictly. With modern cold storage system with capacity of nearly 10,000 tons, we always bring customer the peace in mind for inside quality as well as outside packaging for every single product. The food industry is always tough in industrial hygiene. 100% of the workers involved in production perform hand and apron sanitization. Disposing of impurities prior to production is a mandatory step. In order to check the effectiveness of the industrial hygiene as well as the quality control activities at each stage of production, the company has equipped laboratory according to ISO 17025 standard. In addition, products of DaiThanh Seafoods are controlled under the Advanced International Management Programs HALAT, BRC, IFS, ISO 22000. To be proactive in production as well as the on-time delivery commitment, DaiThanh Seafoods has invested in fish farms for production with an area of 150 hectares, in which more than 40 hectares farm is certified with Global GAP and ASC. The company always complies with the law on land and water use of the country and local government. Before being discharged into the environment, the water resources for fish farming must go through the qualified clarifying system to avoid polluting the environment, minimizing the negative impact against land and water resources and the surrounding community. To form the closed production chain, we have invested a modern fish feed processing factory with a capacity of 32 tons per hour, enough to meet 100% demand of our fish farms, improve the product quality of Pangasius. Besides, we also have factories for fish meal, fish oil, supplying to domestic as well as foreign market. Currently, our products are presented in more than 100 countries and territories. Pangasius skewer with capsicums, Pangasius butterfly, Pangasius slice cut, Pangasius fillet, Pangasius roll, fish meal, fish oil.
Chất lượng của công ty là cung cấp những sản phẩm chất lượng, an toàn, giá cả hợp lý, phù hợp với yêu cầu của khách hàng, góp phần nâng cao cuộc sống của cộng đồng.
Implement the environmental protection law of Vietnam and other environmental requirements. Use efficiently the energy resources, fuel resources, and minimize waste types. Prevent pollution to protect the environment. Conform to the regulations of Vietnam, the importing countries and customers. Ensure the food safety and hygiene condition to the production manufactured at the company. Provide sufficient and adequate financial and human resources required to produce safety food. Improve continuously the integrated operation of the food safety and quality control system. All staffs are trained in order to have the capacity, ethics, and responsibility to complete the assigned work. After more than 10 years of operating and growing, DaiThanh Seafoods is confident to become a reliable partner of the domestic and abroad customers in the field of production, cultivation, and processing of aquatic products for export. Considering customers' benefits as a top priority, DaiThanh Seafoods is always mindful of stepping forward with the times and commit to provide high-quality seafood products, developing and cooperating with customers across the country. DaiThanh Seafoods, our quality, your need.